namungkag na sad. Namungkag na sad sila.
One of these days I'm gonna fuck with trick ass niggas cause they turn into bitch ass niggas. I'm sick of being stuck in the county jail. My niggas clown, bring a pound when they post that bail. Fucking blunts in the driveway. My 4-5 screaming fuck the police. On the driveway, club till I die. You wonder why I made this way. I wasn't turned out. I was raised this way. I'm thinking these
Ang lalim ng ginawa mo. Ang bilis mo. Ang bilis mo. Kabawa mo nga na naglihok na sila. Para di na siya mamimuhan. Kaya tagal na mag-exercise. Man maglihok lang tani. Bahalag sa pulos. Wala siya. Para di mo mamimuhan. Maglihok ka lang imuhan ni. Pag-hugos kamot kamay. Magkadugay magkadako. Huwag lagi lingaw ipatimbang.
Nigga, plus ain't no time to spend. Cause the ruckus motherfucker and we fuck shit up. And with the stainless steel razors, but we cut shit up. Fast and blast a nigga with the quickness. Cock the 4-pound motherfucker when I spit this and rip this. Damn, my mind is in the depths of hell. But when I'm walking on the street, keep my name ring bells and I never fell. Nigga, I stand too tall. I'm just a tough motherfucker who's born to brawl. Give him my all, so niggas wanna bring it to me.
Sponsored by Angel.